Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. This prevents bricking. Turn the scooter off and disconnect any chargers. Once done, press and hold the power button for 10-12 seconds to enter the boot or recovery state. You should see flashing lights or hear a beep. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is off initially versus leaving stale app sessions active, because an active connection can block low-level reset commands. You now perform the actual reset. First, try the app method. Open My Home, find the scooter, then use the device menu to select Factory Reset. Confirm when prompted. If that fails, run the hardware sequence specific to your model, typically power plus brake, or holding power for 15-20 seconds, because it forces controller defaults. Once the scooter accepts the command, lights will cycle and the app will lose pairing. This signals the controller settings were cleared. You finish by powering the scooter back on and repairing it in the app. Follow the Bluetooth prompts and allow firmware updates, because fresh firmware stabilizes behavior. Make sure to test throttle and brake slowly, then ride briefly at low speed to confirm sensors. If it won't reconnect or stays unresponsive, one key troubleshooting tip: fully drain the battery to shut down, charge to 50%, then repeat the factory reset hardware sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.